was this one, and I think we have learned how to make this one. So if you like this one with my outfit, just hop onto the tutorial and we'll understand how we can actually make customized jewelry at home. And these were about the studs, and we have got very simple, easy-going, casual wears as well. Like these are very simple. These are made with a bead sort of. Nowadays, a lot of bead quilling jewelry is made. So that is actually very much sustainable because it actually is just beads rolled up and made from magazines or newspapers and waste material. So that is actually a very sustainable craft because it's actually made with waste stuff, like literally waste stuff. And similar is this one. This is also made in sort of a bead sort of thing, and these are casual wears and some nice normal studs. So these were very small things. One is very beautiful. This is also one of the most loved ones. Idea was just to get very vibrant color. I don't really work well with a lot of colors. Most of the colors are not very well sorted, that's why they don't pop out. So basically, whenever you're making jewelry, it is mostly meant to shine that aspect or that part of the whole thing. So you really need something, some color that pops out in front, or something very matte sort of that doesn't pop out but it's still there, and it gives a beautiful look that wearing it, or either it is very matte-ish and you don't really know that if you're wearing, but it adds to the look. So this is somewhat a very pretty color combination that came out. They are like beautiful colors. Some were just parrot green, and olive green is also there, and there's a forest green leafish color is there. And so the basic structure is actually just a main structure is the main circle, which is made by this tool. This gives you structure. This is basically like more funny way I would say it is a border buddy. It gives structure and makes borders. So it's made